Let's find what feels good. Good morning, everyone. If you woke up with that familiar ache in your back, you're not alone. That stiff, creaky feeling can make getting out of bed a challenge. But you don't have to start your day feeling stuck. Instead of random stretches, let's try a simple 5-minute yoga flow to ease that morning back pain. No fancy equipment needed, just a little floor space and your breath. This gentle routine is your secret weapon against morning stiffness. Let's hop onto the mat, or a soft rug, and begin this journey to a more comfortable, pain-free morning. Let's get started. Let's begin in a comfortable child's pose. Kneel, bring your big toes together and widen your knees. Sink your hips back, rest your forehead down, and breathe. Walk your hands to the right for a side stretch, then to the left. Feel the gentle opening along your sides. Now come up to tabletop for cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat pose. Flow between these two, linking breath and movement. Add gentle wiggles if it feels good. This simple flow warms up your spine and releases tension. Move slowly, listen to your body. Let's prepare your back for the day ahead. From tabletop, let's move into thread the needle. Inhale, reach your right arm up, then exhale and thread it under your left arm. Rest your right shoulder and head on the mat, hips high. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your upper back and shoulders. Press into your left hand to unwind. Reach your right arm up, then return to tabletop. Repeat on the other side, left arm up, thread it under, breathe, unwind. This pose melts away upper back tension. Balance both sides before moving on. Lower down onto your belly for Sphinx pose. Place your forearms on the mat, elbows under shoulders. Press your palms and forearms down. Lift your chest gently. Engage your legs by pressing the tops of your feet into the mat. Draw your heart forward, lengthening your spine. Breathe deeply, feeling the gentle back bend. If you feel any discomfort, lower down a bit. Hold for a few breaths, then release and rest. Notice the warmth in your lower back. Roll onto your back for knees to chest. Hug your knees in, gently rocking side to side. Feel your lower back release into the floor. Breathe deeply, letting go of tension. Extend your left leg. Keep your right knee hugged in. Guide your right knee across your body for a gentle twist. Extend your right arm out. Gaze to the right. Breathe, then return to center and switch sides. This final twist refreshes your spine and calms your mind. You did it. Your back is ready for the day.